Hello everyone. We are beginning this YouTube channel called Management Media basically to train, coach and educate people on various professional aspects that they are pursuing. This channel is meant for students to understand management science, especially professional side of it, the leadership side, organizational development subjects, entrepreneurship, and so on and so forth. For students, this channel will give them enough training on how to attend interviews, how to behave like an officer, how to be well groomed, and possibly how to prepare for competitive examination, especially aptitude text, etc. Not really getting into the details of writing a test, but an overview and tips about how to successfully attend interviews and pass tests and group discussions, etc. Then for professionals, academicians and researchers, this program that we are unfolding through Management Media will give them enough of depth of the subject that nobody else has really taught or dealt with in this kind of a forum. So what we are going to come out with in the next so many videos is talks on, we call them as executive and professional development talk series. We talk to them on what we call the first talk series will be on interview essentials, which will be roughly about 240 sessions of presentations to you, explaining the details of interviews. It starts with various introduction of interviews, the types of it, the overviews of it, and then it talks in details about how to prepare for the interview, and then it talks in details about how to write aptitude tests, how to be successful in group discussions, and how to attend the interview in a very professional manner. It also tells an MBA student, an academician or an interview panel member the nuances of conducting an interview. It deals with the various aspects of looking at the candidate, selecting a candidate, the behavioral issues and various frameworks, the most important frameworks that are used in interviews. That's the first professional development talk series. Once after this series is launched, we will be talking to you about something called leadership essentials, which will detail what exactly leadership as a concept is in the VUCA world. I am sure all of you are aware of a VUCA world, the volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous world. You need to develop various leadership development styles. So it talks to you about leadership, the latest concept of leadership touching upon especially the factors like Stephen Covey's model, the management grid, the various leadership styles like autocratic, autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, participative, and especially on the situational leadership models, and discusses various tools and dimensions of various models of leadership. Then it will detail into each and every style of leadership especially for researchers and professionals to understand. It's a kind of a leadership orientation training suitable for middle and senior level leaders. We will then launch programs on entrepreneurship development, the various facets of entrepreneurship development, how to look at and bring up a new business, etc. Introducing coaching models, etc. I've been a coach and a leadership coach and expert and development professional for about more than 35 years of my career. I'm sure from the introduction you would have understood it. And then we will be in this channel. This is a completely professional development channel which is nowhere existing in India, especially in areas of leadership development and organization development. There are no channels available in India which will give you a professional view. For the participants of an interview, it will give you a view from the other side. How does the panel look at you from there? Nobody will tell you. I have the experience of sitting in more than 10,000 job and career interviews, 8,000 maybe job interviews from prestigious engineering institutions, experienced professionals, and also from 25 to 30 top management MBA institutes of the country. Then about 2,000 career promotion interviews, performance discussions and things like that. This experience has taught me about what kind of behavioral aspects are important in deciding an interview success. Mind you, when you come for an interview, it's not the skills that matters initially, it's the behavior that matters, it's the compatibility that matters, it's the attitude that matters, the positivity that matters, the mindset that matters, and the overall fit is decided not based on your aptitude but mostly based on your attitude. So the first session of the talk called Interview Essentials will tell you as to how to be a positive, confident and attitudinally compatible fit guy to the culture of the organization so that you will get the job that you aspire for. Then we will deal with a lot of topics like personal growth and professional success, etc. for aspiring people, basically for engineering and management and professional students. Be you are an MBA student, be an engineering student, be a hotel management student, whatever professional course that you're studying, we will help you to go ahead with that. We not only stop with this talk series, our WhatsApp number and mail IDs will be scrolled down the presentation any point in time. You can fix up a time with me or my expert other people to discuss with us for 30 minutes, one hour, etc. on a charge basis to deal with you in a very intensive way in an in-depth analysis of your leadership skills, management skills, professional success rates, your career choices, and then some psychometrics if you would like to, like for example Hogan and DISC and MBTI, etc. I'm a certified assessor and coach. I can do that with you. Individualized career and coaching will be available to you should you decide to take it that way. Or if you are an institution asking your students or your professionals to get trained on this aspect, you can reach out to us. Okay, let's begin in the next few sessions, and we first start with Interview Essentials.